this year in 2024, I just felt that, like, now's the time. Now's the time to go all in.
Too predictable, ain't worth the text. He ain't even eating how you shit on me. 700 horses and I bet on each. I wasn't an endorsement, so I'm high lean.
What's good, chat? We finally back with another video, man. We finally finished the Chromehearts wrap, bro, on a Mustang, bro. Finally wrapped up, bro. Man, what y'all think, bro? Shout out to Empire Customs, bro. We got this shit done. You know what I'm saying, bro? I think it came out pretty good, bro. What y'all thinking, bro? I feel like I'm in a whole new car. I ain't gonna lie, this satin black go hard, chat. I ain't gonna play. When we official now, you see it? Yes, sir, bro. We coming back, bro. Better than ever, bro. We got the diffuser on there. The car coming. We got a couple miles on the list now, bro. We looking real good, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I think we got the hardest X650 out right now. I ain't gonna cap. Nah, this joint hard. What y'all thinking, man? I think I got the hardest S650 out right now, bro. I ain't gonna play with y'all, bro. I think this is the hardest one out, man. Man, it feels so good, bro. I remember I used to dream about this stuff, man. Now we got my dream car. It's wrap, bro. Got some mods on it, bro. We got the diffuser on there, GT500 front. Hey, man. Hey, we looking pretty solid, bro. All we missing now is a supercharger, bro. We just need some more power now. We chilling. But nah, I got a wing coming in. That's a surprise, bro. When y'all see that wing, it's gonna be tough. I ain't gonna play with y'all. Ain't nobody have it out. Ain't nobody got it on the new Mustang yet. But hey, bro, it's getting custom made right now. They said it'd be like another month, so hopefully that thing hurry up and get here, bro. I've been getting worked to death, bro. I've been in the field hella, bro. I've been in the field for like dang near a month straight, bro. Back to back to back, bro. But you know, your boy finally out. Man, I've been missing, you know, just making videos, bro. I haven't really been able to enjoy my car lately, but I'm trying to pump them out, bro. Between this and streaming, bro, I'm trying to pump out the content, man. But it's hard sometimes, bro, especially being in the military, bro. And you know, I really, you know, haven't been I didn't want like to mix like my social life and military, but you know, I really, after all the stuff that happened, bro, I think it's, you know, time, bro, be 100 with y'all. You know, doing content like this is tough, bro. I'm gonna be going to Japan real soon, within the next couple months, so on deployment again. So, you know, it's time out, you know, I should be, you know, straight up with y'all, bro. So if, you know, I ain't dropping videos, that's the reason why, bro. I really want to grind this content, bro. Y'all gotta blow me up, bro. I'm trying to get out the barracks with this stuff, for real, man. I'm trying to get about the barracks, bro. Hey, bro, that's enough yapping, bro. Let's get back to the whip, bro. When Tank did that backflip, bro, that's what inspired me to do that shit, bro. When he did that in that chrome in these shorts, bro, that's really what it is, bro. How do you go satin black? That's staying hard, bro. Y'all need to mention Tank in this, bro. I ain't gonna play. Nah. Chat, bro. Chat, bro. It don't matter what you got, bro. It don't matter if you got a Camaro, bro. If you got a motherfucker. If you got a Hellcat, bro, you can't tell me this thing don't sound nice, bro. Chat, that was a warm start, bro. I just got done, you know, on the highway, you know, coming here, but yes, sir. I think the next thing, bro, we need is, you know, get rid of this cotton, bro. This cloth, you know. We need some leather seats in here, bro. What racing seats should I get, bro? I need some racing seats, but you know, I spent all the money on the wrap, Ted. I ain't gonna play with y'all. we gonna have to, you know, we have the spoiler coming, and I was gonna put them headers on. Ben had those, but after, you know, all that thing, I ain't gonna lie, they got me a little scary, Chad. I ain't gonna lie, the ops got me a little scary, but hey, the things sound good without them. I don't even think we need them, to be quite frank with y'all. I feel like if I get them headers, bro, it's gonna be too loud. Your boy finna get another case, so we chilling, man. I love this car, bro. This car don't get old, man. Oh, let me open them up for you, chat. Let me open them up for y'all. Hold on. Ah, there it is. Ooh. Hold on. Ooh. Hey, man. That's not get old. I know what time it is, man. Hold on. Hey, this thing been popping, man. Hold on. Get y'all down, sir. Alright, that's enough, bro. That's enough, bro. Man, bro. Hey, this shit do not get old, bro. This shit do not get old. I'm playing. Nah. Oh, they asked for the speed. Hey. I'm gonna obey all local and federal laws. Bro, niggas not gonna get me in jail again. Now we got chrome hearts. I feel like I got a whole new car, bro. Once you wrap it, feel like a whole new car, bro. It's kind of crazy, you know, watching people like, you know, jostle around and shit, bro. Now I got my own car in this wrap, bro. How I want it, bro. This thing a dream come true, bro. This thing a dream come true. But yeah, man, I'm giving my all to this YouTube, bro. This rap was like me, like, you know. Now I'm not giving up, bro. I'm still gonna keep putting, you know, my heart into this YouTube stuff, bro. Cause this is what I want to do. Along with streaming and stuff, just entertainment in general, bro. So, yeah, man. We ain't we got a few roadblocks, bro. We still going hard with this, man. I hope y'all like the rap, bro. If not, you know, I like it, so. I love it, actually. It's sad, you can't go wrong with satin black, bro. And the vinyls, you just separate it, you know. Nobody else did a chrome heart. No one else did a chrome heart rap, bro. And that's, you know, this thing look good. This one of them ones, chat, man. This one of them was, gang. I ain't gonna lie. This thing look amazing. And you know, it's been getting double the attention it was before. So yeah, man, I'm gonna drop another video for y'all, bro. Appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. Peace, bro.